So today we're going to be talking about the M2 MacBook Pro, which has just been released by Apple. Let's see if it's any good. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the new M2 MacBook Pro. And we are going to see if it's any good and if it's worth upgrading. So Apple released their new line of Apple products at this year's Apple event, which was a 20-minute video they released online. And it caused quite the storm on YouTube and across social media when they released their new Mac Mini, MacBook Pro and new line of M2 chips. So I've done a separate video on the in-depth review of the M2 chip. So if you want to see that, then I will leave a link to that at the end of the video. But for now, we're going to concentrate on the M2 MacBook Pro and if it is a worthy upgrade or if it is just another Apple incremental thing that they do every year. If you already have an M1 MacBook Pro, then the first part is going to be for you. What you are getting in the upgrade if you decide to upgrade to the M2 version. And the second part of the video is going to be if you are completely new to an Apple MacBook Pro, or maybe you've got an older version before the M1, what you're going to be getting if you decide to get this new model. So let's get into it.
We've created something wild.
At the time of its release, the M1 MacBook Pro was arguably the most powerful laptop in the world. And I can see why, because when Apple announced it, they said they was releasing this beast upon the world. And the reason for that is that it was a huge jump up from their previous laptops. And that's because they've gone from the Intel i9 chips up to the Apple Silicon chips. And the performance was phenomenal on the M1 Pro. So what can we really expect from the M2 Pro? Well, if you already have the M1 Pro and you're looking to upgrade, you need to understand something. This isn't a whole new product that's been released. This isn't a whole new device that you're getting. You're essentially getting a chip boost over the current model you have, because the M2 Pro has absolutely everything that the M1 has design-wise. The laptop is exactly the same. There are just a few minimal things that have been changed about the design and the product that you're going to get. And those things are, you're going to get a HDMI 2.1 port. You're going to be getting Wi-Fi 6E. And you are going to be getting a color-matched MagSafe charger for your laptop, and you're also going to get Bluetooth 5.3. Now, performance-wise, what you're going to be getting is a 20% overall boost in power with the CPU and a 30% boost in power with the GPU. Now, if you already have the M1 MacBook Pro, I don't think you need to upgrade. But if you have something older, then this is for you. So you want to get a new laptop and you're considering getting the M2 MacBook Pro. Well, now has never been a better time to get one, because this thing is absolutely packed with power. It looks great and it is one of the best laptops on the market that money can buy. No doubt about it. So here are some reasons why you should get one. First of all, the design. They are absolutely incredible. They look good, they're stylish, they're slim, and they're made of premium materials. Apple always splashes out on their laptops to make sure they look and feel great. Next is the display. This is a mini LED liquid retina XDR display with over 1000 nits of peak brightness and up to 120 Hz refresh rate display. Now, this display is not made for gaming. If you want a premium gaming display, then you need to invest in a different type of laptop, and that will get you the fastest refresh rates possible. But this isn't for that, but it is still an excellent display and it is absolutely incredible, and you can do gaming on it. It's just not the best that you can get. Next are the ports. Now, this has 3 Thunderbolt ports, an SD card slot, a headphone jack, and of course the MagSafe charging point. Now, this has got more than enough ports for what you need for modern laptops. It also has a full HD 1080p webcam situated at the top of the laptop, and additionally internally on the computer it has a 12-core CPU and a 19-core GPU of unified memory. Now, this thing is obviously extremely powerful, and it can do pretty much anything you need. So if you're on the go all the time and you need it for work, productivity, anything really, this is the laptop you want to get. It is absolutely fantastic. Also, its media engine is really powerful, and it claims that this is over 30% faster than the M1 Pro at editing workflow in DaVinci Resolve. So we'll have to see if that's true, but no matter what you do, this laptop is going to be able to cover you for pretty much anything. So let's look at my final thoughts. Is this worth the eye-watering price tag you're going to pay for it? Well, realistically, it depends on what you're going to use it for. If you're going to use this for gaming on the move, then probably not. There are other better options out there for gaming. But if you want this for workflow and productivity on the go, this is probably going to be the best laptop that money can buy. It is going to be faster than most i9 processors out there. So if you are doing any sort of workflow, any sort of video editing, image editing, anything like that, this is going to be faster than most other laptops in that department. But for gaming, you're going to want a completely different laptop. And I've left a link up here for you to click if you want a gaming laptop. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.